loading SCARA robot picks up the brake disc from the stacker. The brake disc is placed in a center locator to align its axis precisely. The robot then places the aligned brake disc into the machine's carrier unit. The brake disc is positioned using a locator before grinding. The disc enters between two grinding wheels for precision grinding. Post-grinding, an unloading robot removes the disc. The disc is transferred to a rotating drying station to remove moisture. Finally, the dry disc is placed into the unloading stacker. Product testing.